Dark clouds were coming, but something was wrong. Before the rain started, Jameel and Khalid made a smart decision. A rainy day, and a hidden danger. Dark black clouds had covered the sky since daytime. The air felt cool, and it seemed that heavy rain could start at any moment. Jameel and Khalid were standing and looking up at the sky. Jameel said, "It looks like it will rain a lot today. There will be water everywhere." Khalid smiled and replied, "Yes, you are right." Suddenly, Jameel looked worried. He said, "I just remembered something. This morning I went to the market. I saw a drain there without a cover. If it rains, water will fill the streets and the drain will not be visible. Someone, maybe a child or a passerby, might fall into it." Khalid nodded seriously and said, "This is really dangerous. We should do something quickly." Without wasting any time, both friends took their bicycles and went to a nearby construction shop. They bought a strong drain cover, carefully placed it on the bicycle, and quickly returned to that place. Together, they carefully placed the strong cover over the open drain. They adjusted it properly to make sure it was safe and would not move. Jameel pressed it down firmly while Khalid checked all sides to be sure it was fixed well. After finishing, they stepped back and looked at their work with satisfaction. Now, the dangerous drain was completely covered, and no one could fall into it. After a short while, heavy rain started. Water filled the streets and roads, but the dangerous drain was now safe. People walked by without worry, and no one even knew that two friends had prevented a serious accident. Moral: we should always care about the safety of others and never ignore danger. What would you do if you saw danger? Think about it and share your answer with your parents or friends.